So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. If the program that you're having a problem with shows up here, you want to delete the folder for it. Let's say that I'm having a problem with the FileZilla installer program. I'm going to right click on the FileZilla folder and then click on delete and then click on yes. See if that fixes your problem. And you could also expand while6432 node. And if your program appears here as well, you want to delete that folder. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to find Windows Installer. Double click on Windows Installer. You want to click on Start. Make sure that the service status is running and then click on OK. And now after you start the service, you want to click on Restart. You want to restart the Windows Installer service. Now you can run the installer again, see if that works. For the next method, you want to find your installer, you want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Admin. And then click on Yes. See if that works. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in MSI exec space / unregister and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in MSI exec space / reg server and then click on Enter again. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then try again. You could also re-download the installer and then try to install it again to your computer.